Hey, what's up, Tech Studio 24 family? Jamie Foxx here, and today we're diving into something exciting. We're going to learn how to write, compile, and run a simple Java program to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. And the best part? We'll be doing it all in IntelliJ IDEA, one of the best Java development environments out there. So, if you're a student or a beginner, stick with me, and I'll make sure you get through this step by step. Let's get started. First things first, let's open IntelliJ IDEA. This is what you'll see when you launch the app. You've got several options here, but for today, we're going to focus on creating a new Java project. All right, now we're in the New Project window. You'll see a lot of options, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple. Make sure you've selected Java as the project type, and that your SDK, Software Development Kit, is properly set. If you've already installed the JDK, it should appear here automatically. If not, no worries. You can easily download it from Oracle's website. Once that's all set, go ahead and click Next. On the next screen, give your project a name. Let's call it Rectangle Calculator. This is where your code and files will live. Once you're done, hit Finish. Now that our project is created, it's time to add some code. First, we need a new Java class. Over here in the File Explorer, you'll see a folder called SRC. That's where all your source code will go. Right-click on SRC, go to New, and then select Java class. A little dialog box will pop up asking for a name. Let's call this class Rectangle. Once you've done that, click OK. Now it's time to write the code. I'm going to walk you through a simple program that calculates the area and perimeter of a rectangle. We'll use Scanner to take user input and basic arithmetic to perform the calculations. Here is the code. I will leave a link to this code in the description below for you to easily copy. Now let me explain this code real quick. First, we import the Scanner class so we can get input from the user. Then we ask the user to input the length and width of the rectangle, which we store in variables. Next, we calculate the area by multiplying the length and width, and the perimeter using the formula 2. Length plus width. Finally, we print out the results. Pretty simple, right? Now that the code is written, let's run it. Head over to this little green arrow at the top of your screen and click Run. IntelliJ will compile your code and launch the program. Boom! Down here, you'll see the console asking you to enter the length of the rectangle. Let's say I type in 5. Jamie enters 5. Next, it asks for the width. I'll type in 3. Jamie enters 3. And just like that, the program calculates the area and perimeter and prints the results right here. For a rectangle with a length of 5 and a width of 3, the area is 15 and the perimeter is 16. And there you have it. You've just written, compiled, and executed your first Java program in IntelliJ IDEA. It's that easy. Now you can try experimenting with different values or even add more features to your program. If you like this tutorial and want more easy-to-follow programming guides, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm Jamie Foxx, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep coding, Tech Studio 24 fam.